Hello there and welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Walton and welcome to this vlog. Now maybe a little bit of clickbait going on there about this being the last ever vlog that we put up on the Genesis Models channel, but it actually is true. We are not going to put any more vlogs on this channel. We're not going to be doing inbox reviews anymore on this channel. We're basically going off and streamlining things and having a sub channel, right? We're going to be calling it Genesis Models Extra, and it's all about basically making the main channel a place in which, if you are someone, basically most of us want to come here and watch build videos and how to build models, the tutorials, and that's what we want to kind of focus on the main channel, is keeping everything build orientated. So for all you kind of fanboys out there who want that bit extra, you know, you want to watch the vlogs where you get to find out, you know, what's going on with the members and the Discord and what they build in the competitions, you know, what locked content videos are going on, and news and information events and all that kind of stuff, which isn't really getting down to building models. You know, that's what the new Genesis Models Extra sub channel is all about. And I'm throwing the inbox reviews over there as well, because organizing stuff on YouTube is a little bit of a pain. You know, we've got the website has everything on there, all our videos, a lot of content, and you can sort of really organize them a lot better than on YouTube, which is why this sub channel is going to be a bit better, because with regards to the inbox reviews, we've got hundreds and hundreds of those inbox reviews, just loads, and they're in a playlist marked inbox reviews, and there's like hundreds in there. It's quite a big playlist, but with the new sub channel that we're going to have now, it's going to benefit us in that sense that, you know, we can go off and sort of, for instance, we've already kind of put up a couple of channel playlists on there where you have aircraft, World War II, 1/48 scale, and so forth, so you can really kind of find things a little bit easier, as well as notifications. I do appreciate that, you know, some of you, if you can get in all these notifications of vlogs going up and inbox reviews going up, I mean, some of you probably don't want that. You just want to see the build. So by keeping everything just builds on the main channel, right, you're just going to get notifications of new build videos and tutorials going up. But if you want that extra, you know, you'll get the notifications on the Genesis Models Extra channel, sub channel, via that way. You just got to remember to, you know, click that notification and click that bell to get the notifications. So that is hopefully going to be a lot better and more organized and more streamlined, and sort of make things better for you guys to kind of pick kind of what videos you want to sort of see and sort of separate them a little bit. Other than that, I mean, all good. Just a couple of little notes as well. You know, I have started like a new sort of format kind of way of doing a video, which I think is really, really cool. I'm calling it the rapid video build. We did years ago do rapid video builds, and it's all about taking our step-by-steps and compressing them. Years ago I'd put them into, say, maybe 4 episodes, whereas now I'm kind of going to modernize it a little bit more and sort of take our rapid video build, and it's literally, I've already done one. You may have already seen it. If you're not, please go check it out, because I spent ages editing up, because I literally took our lot content of 25 episodes long, so it took me an obscene amount of time to edit through all those 25 episodes of the Harrier GR3, and I've compressed it right down to a 25-minute video, which I think is really, really cool. I mean, yes, you're not getting all that knowledge and information as you would from the lot content, but I mean, you do kind of really get everything really quick, fast, kind of fun and entertaining, and just getting down to really just quickly knowing some tips and tricks within like a 25-minute clip. So do hope you're going to like those videos, because there's going to be more to come. Other than that, the last thing I need to mention is, yes, remember, this is the last vlog to go up on the Genesis Models channel. They're all going to be on the Genesis Models Extra sub channel now. So basically, what was it, we did a competition, the Christmas competition. I said we're going to be putting up that Christmas special where we announced the competition winners on, I do believe it was like the 22nd or the 23rd. Well, obviously it's not going to come on this channel here, it's going to be on the Genesis Models Extra channel now. So just so as you guys who've maybe kind of entered that competition or whatever, you know, go over to Genesis Models Extra to find out if you've won or not, and that will be on the 22nd or the 23rd. 3rd. Other than that, hopefully you're going to enjoy the changes. Hopefully you're going to love that. Please check out that video of the Harrier GR3. Other than that, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, and this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.